morning, we woke up and came downstairs to Elements Buffet for some breakfast, but of course I had to stop and get some spa information for later. So before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe so we can continue to bring our mini vacation travels as we stay at all-inclusive resorts through the Cancun area. We would really appreciate your support. Now for the good stuff. We were seated, we ordered some coffees. I had a vanilla latte, my husband had a caramel macchiato, and we hit the buffet. We had breakfast earlier, we came back to the room to get changed, and we're gonna head down to the beach and do a beach walk, so follow along. we're hanging out on the beach most of the day today. It's a gorgeous day here. A little windy, but not bad at all. It makes for a nice breeze. Got to read a book. We had a snack on the beach. I had a burger. You had a hot dog. And it was a beautiful day. We got some nice drone footage that we're going to share with y'all in our videos too. So it's just a great day at the beach. Now we are at the Diamond Club swim up pool. It is very, very busy. Hi, so we are out here enjoying this beautiful beach. Ow! I just spanked my ass with the water. It's really nice out here. Take a look at this beach. It's amazing. Absolutely love it. We were at the pool for a little bit and I kept looking over to the beach and I said we need to move locations and take our butts out to the beach. So on the balcony in the jacuzzi watching the sunset. Friday night at the Royalton Chic, Cancun. Tonight we are going to do the Steakhouse. So it's supposed to be really good. Let's see how it goes. absolutely delicious. I had the New York steak, salad, mac and cheese.
Mac and cheese.
You had the same, right?
I had the same, the New York strip, and I also had the mac and cheese. Well, we shared it.
You shared it.
And we had the cheesecake. I had the onion soup. They brought us some bread.
Onion soup. Yeah. And it was really good. Oh, we had some wine, some Chardonnay. It's really good. The service was great. Absolutely recommend this restaurant when you're here.
Hunter Steakhouse.
So we are at the Royalton Chic. We are going to go take a walk to downtown. They said Senor Frogs is approximately about 5 to 10 minutes from here. We're going to time it, let you know how long it takes to get there by walking.
We're going to do start at 0. So let's go.
We'll see how fast we can walk. Hi, so we're about 5 minutes into our walk and we are, I would say maybe halfway there. What do you think?
Maybe. Still doesn't seem as active as I thought it would be, but there's people around.
Yeah, it's not very busy, but
So,
I feel safe.
yeah. 6 minutes in. Is that the flea market?
I think that is the flea market.
What is it called?
El Mercado Negro, I think?
Coral Negro?
Coral Negro.
I could read the sign.
I was close. We went there once.
I'm wearing my
right?
binoculars. Yeah. My binoculars help me, which are my contacts.
You just face with those.
Yep. They're pretty heavy. Okay, so we made it to the very popular flea market. Let's do another time check.
8:22. And we are, well, we can see it, so I would say we're about a minute away. Depending on how fast you walk or
Yeah,
run.
we're actually walking kind of fast. It's more like a brisk walk, right?
Yes. But it feels nice out. There's a nice strong breeze.
For 8 minutes and 38 seconds.
So we are officially here. It was a great walk. Let's see what the time says.
Let's check it, because look, we are right at it.
9:50, so right under 10 minutes.
Okay, recap time, because we're heading back.
We're heading back. It's a nice walk to downtown. Lots and lots of excitement. So many people. We went by Cocobongo, Senor Frogs, Hooters, La Vaquita. Lots of really nice places there for people to visit, tour, party if you want to. We're gonna head back to Royalton Chic, where we're staying, because they have a neon party on the roof, and we're gonna go check it out.
Cool.
that's a wrap for day 2. It's bedtime. We had a great day. We had some beach time, some pool time, dinner at Hunter's Steakhouse, a nice long walk to Senor Frogs, and then a walk back. It was a beautiful night to enjoy that walk, and so now we're going to call it a night and join us for day 3 tomorrow. Beach, please.